Adding a payment method on Ecwid ensures customers can easily pay for their orders. Here's how you can set it up. Log into your Ecwid dashboard. Visit Ecwid and sign in with your account credentials. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the dashboard, go to Settings Payment. You will see various payment providers and methods available for integration. Choose a payment method. Ecwid offers multiple options. PayPal. Click on the PayPal option and log into your PayPal account to link it. Stripe. Use this to accept credit or debit cards. Connect your Stripe account by entering the required details. Manual payments. You can add cash on delivery or bank transfer as options under other methods. Configure payment method settings. For PayPal and Stripe, you will need to set up currency and payment conditions. For manual methods, describe how customers should pay. Enable the payment method. Once connected and configured, toggle the Enable button to activate the payment method on your store. Save changes and test payments. Click Save to finalize the setup. Place a test order to ensure the payment works correctly.